What's up, everybody? This is Tellatoby here, and today we're going to do a quick video on my subwoofer. So me and my friend Spy Army Halo put our subs in our apartment, and we're going to test it, see what it sounds like. Here we go. Make sure you guys subscribe, leave a like, share this video. Hope you guys enjoy this video, and don't forget to subscribe, leave a like, and turn post notifications on so you guys can see when I post other videos. Peace.